Alright, what's up everybody? We're here today at the village once again. A little bit of a different video today, so we'll probably have a little bit of riding at the end, but I'm building up a new bike today. Super pumped. Guys at the village helped me out a bunch, so I'm super stoked to have them on board. Dill's gonna give me a bit of a hand putting it together, so we'll run inside now and get started. Let's go.
Dylan's favourite bit. Like that. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
I did film lots of things.
That's probably not useful. Make sure he ends like you folks.
saying.
I just thought I would film.
Alright, so it's built up. We're on our way home now. I forgot my helmet, so we didn't get any clips riding at the village, but they got a birthday party starting shortly anyway, so I wouldn't have got too much riding in, but we'll go home. I might do a quick run over, have a bit of a talk through all the parts that we put on it, and we'll go for a ride this suburb. Sounds like a plan to me. Just got to get out of the car park. Turn the aircon on, I'm dying. Alright, so this is my new build. I've got a 21-inch Colony Blaster frame with a Colony Blaster combo seat. I have 170mm Venator cranks with red bottom bracket and the red bolt kit. Colony Fantastic plastic pedals with the red axle. Also have a Colony Blaster sprocket, 28 tooth with a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. My rear wheel is a Colony Swarm free coaster hub with a contour rim, and my front wheel is a Colony Wasp hub and a Pintor rim. And then I have KHE Mark Webb pinstripe tyres front and back. I have an Odyssey R25 fork with a Colony headset and a ODI bar end in the fork for foot jams. I've also got a cool little carbon headset spacer, Odyssey Boss V2 stem, and Odyssey 10.4 bars with ODI long neck grips. Okay, that's pretty much it, I think. So huge thanks once again to the guys at the village for organising all these Colony parts for me. And special shout out to Dylan for helping me build it up this morning. And I think that's all left to do now is go for a ride. So let's get into it.
Is that enough for you? What does it have to be out of the box?
It's gotta be like, you've gotta really like, it's gotta be like a whip.
Can I just do
You can't just do this.
T-Bog?
No.